Hey y'all, back again. I was going to show you how to do an English muffin sandwich, so breakfast sandwich. So see these things right here that I got on my Blackstone? I'm cooking eggs in those, and the reason is that when I cook the eggs in those, they're going to be perfectly sized for my English muffin that I'm about to pull out. You can melt cheese on it if you want to. You can put bacon. You can put a variety of stuff, but you can see here how these eggs are cooking. They're going to be perfectly circular, and that size is perfect for the English muffin that I'm about to toast just a little bit here on the Blackstone.
So now I've got my English muffin. I'm going to put it on my Blackstone just to toast it up just a little bit. And then we're going to assemble a sandwich, breakfast sandwich. So I've toasted my English muffin just a little bit, and now what I can do is put my egg, in this case I'm going to put 2 eggs on it. If you wanted to melt cheese, you could make it a little bit cheesy, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to put I'm going to put bacon on it. You can see right here I had my bacon under the warming thing. I'm going to break it up here. Hard to do one-handed, but there we go. So you can put your bacon on there, you can put some ketchup on there, whatever you want to. Honestly, what I'm going to do is just put 1 piece of bacon on that, then I'm going to have a piece of bacon on the side, and then I'm going to have a massive amount of hash browns because I'm absolutely starving. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. And you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order all the tools that I'm using. And check out all my other Blackstone videos too. Thanks for your viewership. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day.